convert decimal number to binary number. We take example 41 convert to binary number. We divided to 41, a remainder is 1. 20 divided to a remainder is 0. 10 divided to a remainder is 0. 5 divided to remainder is 1. 2 divided to remainder is 0. 1 divided to remainder is 1. So we take bottom to top 1 0 1 0 0 1. So our decimal number convert to binary number. Now we take another example 25 convert to binary number. 25 divided to remainder 1. 12 divided to remainder 0. 6 divided to remainder 0. 3 divided to remainder 1. 1 divided to remainder 1. So we take bottom to top, our 25 decimal number convert to binary number 11001. This is second example 169 decimal number convert to binary number. 169 16 is divided 2 is 8 and 9 divided 2 is 4, remainder is 1. 84 divided 8 divided 4 is 2. 4 divided 2 is 2, remainder is 1. 42 divided 2 remainder is 0. 21 divided 2 remainder 1. 10 divided 2 remainder 0. 5 divided 2 remainder 1. 2 divided 2 remainder 0, and after that last 1 divided 2 remainder 1. So we take bottom to top 169 convert to this binary number 101010001. So our decimal number convert to binary number. Convert fractional number into binary number. In case of fractional decimal number, how can we convert binary number? 0.125 multiply 2 is equal to 0.250. 0.250 multiply 2 is equal to 0.500. 0.500 multiply 2 is equal to 1.00. So after decimal we got 00. Now we can stop. We take top to bottom, in this case before decimal 0 0 1. So our decimal number convert to binary number. Binary number is 0.001. This is the another example to decimal convert into binary number. 625 into 2 is equal to 1.250. We take 250 into multiply 2 is equal to 0.500. 0.500 multiply is equal to 1.00. After 0 we got 0. So our decimal number convert to binary number. We take before decimal 101. So 0.25 0.625 is convert to 0.101. This is another example for decimal number convert to binary number. Is integer part and in fractional part. We calculate separate integer part and fractional part. In 25 is calculate this, and after fractional part 0.1 multiply 2 is equal to 2. 0.2 multiply 2 is equal to 0.4. 0.4 multiply 2 is equal to 0.8. 0.8 multiply 2 is equal to 1.6. We take after 0.6 multiply 2 is equal to 1.2. We take only 0.2 multiply 2 is equal to 0.4. 0.4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. So after a repeat number 0.8 here, 0.8 here, so we can take this fractional number 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. So our decimal number is converted to binary number. Our decimal fractional number convert to binary fractional number, and hexadecimal number to binary number. In our previous video we show how can convert decimal binary to decimal number. In hexadecimal number, first step convert hexadecimal to binary number, second step convert decimal to binary number to a equal to 10 in hexadecimal to decimal, b equal to 11. So 2 is binary number is this, and 10 binary number is this, and 11 binary number is this. So our hexadecimal number is this, and our hexadecimal convert to binary number 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Thank you for watching this video.